In today's video, you will learn how to connect Keap to WordPress using FuseWP. To begin, we'll go to FuseWP settings. We'll find Keap and click on Configure. Let's connect to Keap. Here you'll need to log in and then select an application from the list. Click on Allow. Then we can go back to settings to confirm that our connection was successful. Now we can go ahead and test it out. So we'll go to User Sync and we'll start by adding a new sync rule. Our source is going to be user roles. And our next step here is to add a destination. So we're going to click on this button here and we'll select the user role that we want to use. Let's use subscriber and our integration will be Keap, of course. Moving on, we can go ahead and select a tag. So here I can choose new customer or maybe I'll select new lead instead. And we'll move on to custom fields. So here we have our first name field, which is being mapped as text to Keap's first name field. And the same is being done for the last name field. Once we're done, we can go ahead and save our changes. And once we've saved this, we can now go ahead and test it out. So let's open a new user registration form. And here we just want to enter some random information. We'll click on Add User. And as soon as we see our success message, we can go to Keap to see if that information was captured. So here we're going to go to Contacts, and on the list, we can see the information that we entered as the first lead on the list. We can now explore another example where we subscribe newsletter leads to our Keap email list. So let's head over to User Sync, and once again, we'll start by adding a sync rule. We'll select WP Forms as our source. And our source item will be newsletter sign-up form. Moving on, we can select a destination. Our event will be after form submission, and our integration will be Keap. Again, we'll select a tag. We'll use new lead again, and we'll actually need to map our custom fields manually this time. So let's start by mapping email. Then we'll map first and last name. Now, if you want, you can always add another destination, but we won't need this for our example. So we'll save our changes and then we'll head over to our newsletter sign up form and enter some random lead information. Once we're done, we'll click on Submit. We'll go back to Keap. Now let's refresh our page. And here's our new lead. So this is how you connect Keap to WordPress using FuseWP. Thank you for watching and see you next time.